How to install two-piece fibre cement ridges. The inner piece should be fixed to the ridge line first. The fixing position should be fixed into the first and last full corrugations and into the purlin centres 100mm up from the bottom edge of the ridge piece. You do not need to mitre the two-piece ridges. Once the inner ridge piece has been fixed into position, take the outer ridge piece and place it on top of the inner ridge piece and facing down the opposite slope. The outer ridge piece can be fixed in the same way as the inner ridge piece. Typically on agricultural structures, you may choose to use ventilated two-piece ridges, which can be installed the same way as a close-fitting two-piece ridge. To close off the edges of the ridge pieces, you will require a finial. These are available in 3 different styles. Tap the video on the screen to watch how to install our fibre cement finials. Please do not hesitate to contact our technical department if you require further assistance.